mixing bowl, I have taken 1 cup of shredded purple cabbage. To this add 1 onion thinly sliced, 3 green chillies thinly sliced, few curry leaves, a cup of besan or gram flour, quarter cup of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of chili powder. Mix all the ingredients well with your hands. Then add little water at a time and mix it well. You need to mash all the ingredients well so that the flavors of the onion, curry leaves and the spices come together well. Now the ingredients have come together very well, so pull out a small portion and keep it ready. Now heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the pakoras one by one. Fry the pakoras for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 more minutes in medium flame. Now the oil bubbles have settled and the pakoras are nice and crispy, so let's now remove them. Now a delicious purple cabbage pakoda is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, easy, crispy and an instant snack recipe. So do try this purple cabbage pakoda recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.